Hey everybody, and someone asked me yesterday, some days, that what I am going to say when I am waking up in the morning. So here are the some of the affirmation you can revise with me, and you can speak with you every single day whenever you waking up. Say that I am going to make this day cool, and it's this day is going to becoming great for me. Also, you can read my book, The Morning Alliance. That's a complete guidance how you can make your morning routine better. And one of the things that I focus on, that the Morning Alliance Club, where you have to focus on the most productive time is morning for you. So focus on the creating more productiveness in your life. So and that big the Morning Alliance. So whenever you wake up, first speak and talk with yourself with the positivity and say to you that's everything you have. This day is going to be something different, and it's one of my greatest day going to happen for me. I'm going to enjoy each and every second and every moment of my day, and I'm going to make it one of the great day in my life. So start with this affirmation and work. Go to your to-do list and whatever you have done in the last the day before sleep, and work on the basis of priority and make your day better and one of the great days for you.